It's important to not only see the future, but to see it with clarity. Without clarity, your association will stumble forward through your upcoming large repair and replacement projects. As always, the best way to get clarity about how to move forward is to get help. Just like how an air traffic controller helps a pilot navigate over a mountain range through the night sky, getting the right guidance makes all the difference. You can either have a smooth flight to the future or suffer through the turbulence of special assessments, deferred maintenance, and declining property values. It's your choice.
How's my vision? We're going to spend a few more moments just following up with a slightly different illustration to talk about those future events more clearly, because I want you to be prepared. I want you to understand how significant the problem is and take it to heart. Also, these are all tools that you can use to communicate effectively to your homeowners and your other board members. Let's go back to where Robert started. We have a mid-rise condo building where, for the person who doesn't have as much experience, the person who goes in and out of the building, you can see the near-term projects, which we've highlighted in yellow. Trim, paint, carpet, asphalt. This is stuff that's obvious, that doesn't take a lot of imagination to figure out that this stuff is failing or not. So maybe think about it like an eye doctor, getting your vision checked. Big letters at the top show things that the homeowners and the board is capable of seeing. For this person, big near-term things are clear. Mid-range projects, like the things halfway down the chart, are a little bit fuzzy. Long-range projects are out of sight, far too distant to see. Or the mid-range project. A few years into the future, it does require some experience to spot the difference from when the asset was new and have ideas about how long it will last. So an experienced property manager or someone who's been on the board for a long period of time understands the mid-range projects and has some level of discernment about what's considered plainly obvious. But long-range projects, these take a very special skill or a background in the industry. But people with those skills and that experience are able to make good estimates on costs and time. Again, time marches on. The project is going to happen. They get closer every day. If you wait until you can see it clearly, it's like an elevator going out of service or the roof starting to leak, potholes in the asphalt. It's too late. You've waited too long. The time for planning is gone. The time for action has arrived. And if you're not ready, then it's going to be a painful process. The association is in trouble and property values are going to have an impact. It's the canary in the coal mine. The reserve study is a tool that can help you, just like miners use the canary as a tool to help them understand if they're running out of oxygen. The reserve study is a tool to help you understand how much money you need and to kind of see the future without having to be an expert. So we're back to our airplane. Remember, where you're piloting the association airplane into the future, but you don't have to do it alone. Use the team, use the resources at your disposal, and see what's ahead. Use your own early warning system. There are professionals standing by, just like an air traffic controller, to help the board successfully navigate forward. Robert, I'd like to turn it back over to you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Mark. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.